I'm here at the 2021 World Manufacturing Convention. A variety of cutting-edge technologies and products at the forefront of Chinese manufacturing industry are exhibited here, including quantum computing, high-end new energy vehicle, 6th-generation flexible display, and aerial imaging. Made in China has brought great changes to Chinese people's life, but don't envy, maybe your life has changed because of them.
I'm standing in front of an electronic equipment retail store in Brussels, capital of Belgium. Let's go inside and see if we can find some made in China smartwatches and other products here. Smart wearable devices that integrate cutting-edge display screens with artificial intelligence software. It's a concentrated reflection of the sense of technology and fashion of made in China products. Smartwatches manufactured in China are popular among consumers and retailers in the European markets. For example, Amazfit, a Chinese smartwatch brand, has entered the market of more than 70 countries and regions.
Climate change has attracted a lot of attention from around the world, and the international society has been dealing with carbon reduction more actively. China has made a promise to peak carbon dioxide emissions before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality before 2060. With the progress of new energy technology, Chinese manufacturing has switched to green development, from which the world could also benefit. This is a photovoltaic inverter production workshop of Yangguang Power Supply Company Limited in Hefei City, East China's Anhui province, with an annual production capacity of 90 gigawatts. This factory sends inverters to many countries and regions worldwide.
So we built this plant around 6 months ago, and now it's already being fully utilized by the owner. So this system is comprised of 928 solar modules, and the total capacity is 418 kilowatt peak. Without a good inverter, we cannot utilize the maximum output of the energy.
I'm Guo Chen with the Xinhua News Agency. In recent years, more and more Chinese electric car brands are going to the world market. Today, Skyway, a new electric car brand from China, takes its new car to Vienna, Austria.
Well, Skyway produces cars that are of high quality, that are made for the European markets, and at the very same time the price is good, the quality is good, the design is very fancy, it's a very nice car.
Well, imported products have brought Chinese people much convenience and pleasure. Because of manufacturing, we have a chance to enjoy high-quality products. Sharing and cooperation have made our life better.